Who do you wanna see when you're looking in the mirror? Anything you can dream is yours to tailor make. Stepping in different shoes is like a new adventure. So dress it up, then mix it up, yeah. Say hello to all the sides of who you are. Never know what you might find. Try it on. You can be who you wanna be. All the possibilities, whoa. Come on and try it on. Take a chance, see what you got. Don't let yourself get put inside a box. Just try it on. Just try it on. Who cares what they expect to see? We're more than who we're supposed to be. Who cares what they expect to see? Show the world your limits the sky. When you try it on, you can be who you wanna be. All the possibilities, whoa. Come on and try it on. Take a chance, see what you got. Don't let yourself get put inside a box. Just try it on. Take a chance, see what you got. Just try it on. Don't get put inside a box. Try it on. Look and learn, feel the burn, and just try harder. This is tough, tighten up and fail smarter. My spirit is deflating, I'm straining, my fears inflating. This school's calling my bluff, hope I have the right stuff. And remember how to be brave. Tell my nerves to behave. Can I get out of my head? Get out of my head and hit restart. Grind, grind on my mind. Work it, double time. Grind, grind on my mind. Never fall a step behind. Grind, grind on my mind. Work it, double time. Grind, grind on my mind.
Work it, work it.
This is what you wanted, all you've ever wanted. Don't be daunted, just be patient and relax. Go on, cut yourself some slack. Easier said than done. Why am I the only one who keeps scrambling and face planning? This is draining, stop complaining. I know it's worth the trouble to push myself and hustle. Can I get out of my head? Get out of my head and hit restart. Grind, grind on my mind. Work it, double time. Grind, grind on my mind. Never fall a step behind. Grind, grind on my mind. Work it, double time. Grind, grind on my mind.
Work it, work it.
Did everyone see? Of course they saw. Pull yourself together, practice till it's perfect. Gotta work it, find your purpose. Plant your feet, use your core. Keep the beat, get off the floor. How can you even show your face? Chill out, but stand up straight and grind, grind on my mind. Work it, double time. Grind, grind on my mind. Never fall a step behind. Work it, I'm not gonna whine. Work it, things will be fine. Work it, I'm losing my mind. Grind. I flew in on cloud nine with Malibu sunshine to the playground of my dreams. Made a new best friend, there wasn't a question that everything would work out perfectly. Then boom, boom, spoke too soon, worst in the room, like a total crash landing. But I'm not gonna let that keep me down. It's all about those good vibes. Every future looks bright when you got those good, good, good vibes. Gotta catch those good, good, good vibes.
Now take a look at me, so on point and savvy. The whole world at my feet, inspired a reverend, didn't know what fear meant. I dance and leap to my own beat. Then boom, boom, spoke through, so guess I'm not immune to the flaws of gravity. But crutches won't be keeping me earthbound. It's all about those good vibes. Every future looks bright when you got those good, good, good vibes. Gotta catch those good, good, good vibes. Is the glass half full or half empty? It depends on when you ask me.
I think you'd run it the
I love the concrete jungle,
and I'm a beach girl.
together we're best of all possible worlds.
A duo so
destiny, it's alright. Yeah, how did we ever survive before us? Oh, yeah. Hey, oh, hey, yeah. Oh, it's like we're meant to be, like destiny, it's alright. Yeah, how did we ever survive before us? Look and learn, feel the burn, and just try harder. This is tough, tighten up and fail smarter. My spirit is deflating, I'm straining, my fears inflating. This school's calling my bluff, hope I have the right stuff. And remember how to be brave. Tell my nerves to behave. Can I get out of my head? Get out of my head and hit restart. Grind, grind on my mind. Work. I won't lie, I'm
So not a villain, I have zero evil plans. No ulterior motives, just wanna help where I can. I wanna shower you with gifts, cause I'm selfless and sweet. So there's no reason at all to be suspicious of being whatever I wanna be. The least evil queen in history. And if you do not believe me, I totally won't imprison your family. Cause that'd be evil, and not so, not me. Well now my good friend, you can build the spaceship of your dreams on your very own planet with your own spaceship building scene. Metal bit a pirate without a ship, that's so cool. It's like a spider without a web or a queen without a fool. Hey, it's for you, a planet that's really a pirate ship and the population your crew. Be whatever, wanna be the most least evil person you'll ever meet. And if you make eye contact with me, I totally won't have you executed immediately. Cause that'd be evil, 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 evil. And that's so not This song's gonna get stuck inside. Oh, this song's gonna get stuck